welcome to Shradha's FabLab. In this video, I will show you how to make a running car. For that, we need 2 chopsticks, or you can attach two toothpicks with help of a cello tape and 1 extra toothpick. And 2 straws and a cardboard paper. It should be in rectangle shape. And 4 caps, and it should be in same size because it's going to be the wheel. And another hard paper. It should be in rectangle shape too. And a scissor and a cello tape. Now take the cardboard, turn it into the back side. Then stick these straws with the help of the cello tape. Cut the rest of the straw. Now do the same thing for the other straw. Now insert these toothpicks. Now take the 4 caps, then put 1 hole in the cap, in the center of the cap, like this. Seek a grown-up's help to put the hole. Now fix these wheels like this. Seek a grown-up's help for that too. See, our car wheels are fixed. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Not yet finished. Now we have to put a hole in the center of the cardboards. Use the tip of the scissor. Now the hole is made. Now take the toothpick and the hard paper. Connect this together. See? Now fix it. Now it's fixed to the center of the cardboard. Now our card is ready. Do you know why we have fixed this hard paper in a C shape? Let's see the magic. The wind I blow pushes the car like this, so we can name it as a wind car.